ProWay kicked off in the year 2000, 23 years ago. And what we do is we design, manufacture and install livestock handling equipment. So that'll be anything like sheep yards, cattle yards and shearing sheds are our main line of product. Our products go throughout the entire of Australia, including Western Australia, Tasmania and the lot. Most of it goes on the eastern seaboard, so New South Wales, Victoria. We also send it overseas and we've just fired up a company in the USA and we're selling lots of product over there as well.
My current role, I'm the leading hand supervisor at ProWay. I started as apprentice in 2014 and I've worked my way up to the supervisor's role from tradesman to supervisor and a bit of floorman every now and again. So there is room to progress and learn more from ProWay.
My career 4 years ago as just an apprentice welder, I've stepped up every year, completing my each year's trade certificate, and then I've just been asked to step in as a fella's gone away.
I was 15 when I did work experience, and that was really good. Then they offered me a job, and I'm 17, and when I got my driver's license, they put me on full time.
The jobs we make at ProWay are built to last, so a job that we might finish today could last up to 30 or 40 years or more out at the yards.
We've got a wide variety of career opportunities here. What we're mainly looking for are fabricators or welders, but you can go into other streams so we've got storemen, we've got CAD drawers, we've got technical, we've got designers, we've got advisors, area reps or people that manage jobs on sites as well. So if you're keen on agriculture and getting out and about and seeing the countryside and all of our clients, we've got roles in those positions as well.
The perks of working here are you have the ability to make extra money than just your hourly rate for the week by what we call piece rates. So that's what you make on top of everything else.
Yeah, but I've just learnt so much and soaked it all in, which is really good.
We've got a really inclusive culture here, so it varies from all walks of life, including a lot of refugees lately, so it's fantastic to have those people. We like to have a bit of fun at work, we like to have a good culture, and we want to make it that you want to come through the gate to go to work each day, and you're serving a purpose here.
Very, very funny, enjoyable people. They're easy to get along with, and they're just a good bunch of people.
They're great colleagues to work with, and I've learnt a lot from them.
The workmates, we have our social events. We do go out and go camping, go to the dams, and do social events, and we all hang out in a pretty good team.
Yeah, the people I work with are pretty easy to get along with, pretty friendly, so it's good to be here.
Come and see us and we'll give you a go, we'll give you a trial. We trial people here all the time throughout school holidays and whatnot. Come and try a couple of things for a couple of weeks, see what you do or don't like, and if it does suit you, we'll talk to you and possibly set up an apprenticeship or how we can move forward.